Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a relax hair tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you step by steps on how I relax my hair at home. So relaxing your hair can be a tedious process, especially if you don't know how to process the kits and handling the chemicals and your hair. So it's been 4 to 5 months since I relaxed my hair, and you can see on here my hair is really fuzzy. I cannot comb my hair and no comb can go through my hair at this point, so I decided to have this relaxed at home. Most times when I go to the salon, I found out that some parts of the hair processed while other ones doesn't process nicely. So I actually decided to do this at home since I know how to do it best. So the product I'll be using today is Prophetic Mega Growth Relaxer Kit. Please feel free to use any relaxer of your choice after making some inquiry and gathering some information about your hair type and what goes best for it, because it goes a long way for you to achieve a very healthy hair even after relaxing your hair. For relaxing my hair, I made purchase of 3 sachets of Prophetic Mega Growth Relaxer, and I'm using the regular strands for relaxing my hair. Even though I have coarse hair, I prefer using the regular strands to the super strands, cause the super strands process faster than the regular strands. So I don't want any irritation or burning from over processing my hair. Cause some time ago I have used the super strands and the outcome wasn't good for me, cause I have to wash my hair so early because of the tingling and irritation the super strands give me. So I prefer to use the regular, and I go and work according to the time. So inside this cup, I mixed 2 sachets of relaxer and activator to get a uniform mixture. Sorry, I couldn't capture that because my camera wasn't recording and I didn't get to know on time. But not too late, you can see the sachet on the table. Out of the 3 sachets, I have mixed 2 out of it. The white one is the cream relaxer, while the yellow one is the cream activator. You are meant to mix equal amount of both the white and the yellow. If you do otherwise, you will get the best out of this product. So you are meant to mix them together. So after mixing the relaxer and activator properly, I went ahead to pattern my hair into 4 sections. It makes it a whole lot easier to work with in this way. So here are the tips to bear in mind before relaxing your hair at home. You all know relaxing your hair at home can be a cost-effective way to achieve sleek and straight hair, but there are some important things you need to consider before doing so by yourself. So one of the basic things you have to do before relaxing your hair at home is to make research about the products you'll be using. As you all know, not all hair relaxers are created equally. Just make sure you are choosing a right product that is right for your hair. And the number 2 is to read instruction. Most people go ahead and use relaxer just because it is called relaxer. They feel all relaxer are the same and can carry the same strength. So make sure to understand how to properly use the relaxer you bought, including how long to leave it on your hair, and also steps on neutralizing the relaxer on your hair and scalp. Because sometimes when you relax your hair yourself without the help of a professional, and you don't read information or follow the right process and right way of neutralizing the relaxer, it tends to give you a bad outcome which you don't really want for your hair. And lastly, make sure you protect your scalp before relaxing. So make sure the skin area around your hair and scalp is protected with petroleum jelly or any other protective barrier before applying the relaxer to prevent burning or irritation. You wouldn't want that after relaxing your hair you have burns and irritation here and there. So in order to minimize or even prevent your hair getting burnt, make sure you apply petroleum jelly around the skin area of your hair. So the very step I took before relaxing the hair was to protect my hands by wearing gloves. I'm using surgical gloves for this process because it's more reliable and doesn't tear easily. But if you have the ones that comes with the kit, feel free to use them and make sure you protect your hand very well. You know you are working with chemicals here. You don't want your hand to start peeling or getting injured while processing your hair with the relaxer. So once I'm done wearing the gloves, I started applying the relaxer from one section of the parted hair to another, focusing firstly on the new growths while avoiding the scalp. After each application, I massage the hair in order to get all relaxer penetrate very deep into each strand of hair. So once each section is done, I move over to the other part and continue the process until all the parted hair is fully covered with relaxer. From the roots of the hair reaching the tip of the hair. So remember to be gentle while doing this. You don't need to pull your hair really hard. So guys, by the time I got to the stage, I found out that my camera is not recording. Like, this is the last I recorded while relaxing the hair, but I'm still going to take you through, guys, on how this hair went through. I relaxed and make sure every parted hair got relaxed, and I used a wide tooth comb to comb out each strand of hair to straighten it out, and I still went on to apply relaxer to where necessary in order to make sure the hair straightened out. As you can see here, the hair is really relaxed, and this is about 20 minutes of carrying this relaxer on my hair. I make sure the relaxer gets to the edge, to the front, picking up baby hairs in front of my hair to make sure every hair is relaxed. So now I'm heading to the bathroom to wash this hair off using warm water and neutralizing shampoo. I wash this several times, for like 5 times, to make sure I wash off every single relaxer on my hair. Then I went on with the detangling conditioner. I applied a very good amount of it on my hair. You know, this hair has been through a lot, going through process of chemical, so you need to bring it down because it's really on the high side now. I need to give it a lot of pamper that it needs to prevent the hair from breaking. So I use the Profective Mega Growth detangling conditioner to condition this hair. Then after carrying it for a few minutes, I wash it up, then went on with the straightening hair leave-in conditioner. So this is the hair after washing. The hair is really glossy, like it's really shining, and each strand is fully relaxed. But please do not be like me. Please don't be like me. Don't be like me. Always read. You can remember at the beginning of the video I say make sure you make research the kind of relaxer you are using for your hair. So my hair is really coarse, that's why I use the regular. So before my hair could process to the point of getting to itch or irritate me, I think my hair should be really done by then. So that's why I have to carry the hair for up to 20 minutes. Please don't be like me. If you have a soft scalp, make sure you wash this hair using the direction and instruction that was written on the pack. So guys, I'll be showing you the kits I used after washing the hair. This is what I used in maintaining the hair and prevent the hair from breakage. You know, each time you relax your hair are prone to breakage if you don't maintain it properly. So I'm using the Profective Mega Growth branch in maintaining my hair, and it makes it look healthier and stronger and even retain moisture after relaxing my hair. So guys, here are the products I used in maintaining my hair after relaxing. So this is the stimulating shampoo which I use for washing the hair after a few days of relaxing the hair. Sometimes I do it the next day even after using the neutralizing shampoo that was added into it. This is the neutralizing shampoo that comes with the relaxer itself. So I use this for the first day while washing my hair. Then after that I go with this detangling conditioner to condition my hair deeply. Then I proceed on to use this daily leave-in straightener after washing and drying the hair. This is to make the hair retain a lot of moisture, and this also helps for breakage. If your hair used to break over time, this is going to help strengthen your hair and prevent it from breaking. I think Mega Growth is one of the best brands I have used while relaxing my hair, and I have worked effectively for my hair. And compared to other products, I have used quite some products, but they didn't give me the result which I was seeking for relaxed hair. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial on how to relax your hair at home. So if you find this video really helpful, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share to your friends and loved ones who might be really interested on this kind of tutorial. So I would also like to know on the comment section if you have ever tried this at home. What was the outcome? Just let me know on the comment section. So please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share to your loved ones. So till then, I'll be seeing you guys on my next one. Bye bye.